What's up techies, Fluffy here from techbeatph.com. We have something today that just says, try to stop me. I'm holding the brand new Realme C85 and the spec sheet is just absurd. Before we get into the 7000 mAh battery and the IP69K rating, yes, K like king, let's see what we get inside this rather exciting box. First off, you open the box and of course there's the star, the Realme C85 itself, in this absolutely stunning Parrot Purple color. Look at that dynamic gradient, it's not subtle and I love it. Next, and this is crucial, you get a protective silicone case. Always a win when the case is included. Digging deeper, we find the USB Type-C cable and thankfully the mighty 45W SUPERVOOC adapter. No need to buy the charger separately, Realme knows the drill. Everything you need to get this endurance machine running is right here. Now, let's talk about that power. The C85 is anchored by a massive 7000 mAh massive battery. This is not a phone you have to baby. Realme is promising endurance figures like 28.5 hours of non-stop YouTube or over 15 hours of gaming. This completely wipes out battery anxiety for heavy users and commuters. And since we just unboxed it, let's talk charging. That included 45 watt SUPERVOOC Charge is fast enough to get you to 50% in just 42 minutes. Forgot to charge? 5 minutes of charging can give you almost 4 hours of calls. That's rescue power. Plus, they're talking about 80% battery health retention after 6 years thanks to their Electrolyte Self-Healing Technology. It's almost like this battery has a built-in healing factor. And for the gamers, that smart bypass charging means less heat when you're charging and playing simultaneously. This section is the part where the phone starts to feel ridiculous in a good way. The C85 is built for absolute punishment. It's certified for military-grade shock resistance MIL STD 810H. It's bend resistant up to 25 kilograms. This phone is structurally sound. But the water resistance is the actual flex. We have IP66, IP68, and that industrial grade IP69K. Forget rain, this phone can handle high temperature, high pressure water jets. Realme claims it's been tested against 36 different liquids, yes, including hot coffee and corrosive household cleaners. And if water does get in the speaker, use the SonicWave Water Ejection feature to literally vibrate the liquid right out. This device has been engineered to survive real life, which, let's be honest, is usually messy. Despite carrying that huge battery, This phone manages a sleek light feather design. It's 8.38mm thin. The Parrot Purple catches the light beautifully, giving it this expensive, flowing texture. The display is a huge 6.8-inch panel with a blazing 144Hz refresh rate. Everything you do, from scrolling through TikTok to browsing, feels liquid smooth. And it's bright up to 1200 nits peak brightness. You need that for those harsh, sunny days, especially with the AI outdoor mode activating to boost screen visibility and call volume when you step outside. It also packs a 400% ultra boom speaker. It gets loud, which is perfect when you're watching videos outside. Powering, this is the MediaTek Dimensity 6300, a 6nm 5G capable chip that gives us a respectable 569,600 plus Antutu score. It's a solid engine for the mid-range. To prevent throttling, it uses a large 5,330 square millimeters vapor chamber cooling system. This is the kind of thermal management you want when you're pushing the phone for hours. Memory-wise, we start strong with 8GB of physical RAM, and using Dynamic RAM Expansion (DRE), you can push it up to an insane 24GB total RAM. Multitasking should be a breeze. For the cameras, we get a reliable 50MP Sony IMX852 sensor on the back, but the real game changer is the AI software. We get tools like AI Smart Remover 2 to instantly erase photobombers and AI glare removal. But the coolest feature has to be AI Edit Genie. You can literally speak what you want, make the sky brighter, remove that shadow, and the AI handles the complex editing. That's a huge time saver for casual users. So, here's my take after handling this Parrot Purple unit. The Realme C85 feels less like a traditional phone and more like a dependable tool built for the daily hustle. The core benefit for you, the user, is pure, unadulterated reliability. Honestly, the fact that I don't have to baby this phone, that it's immune to sudden downpours and accidental drops, removes so much stress from my day. That 7000 mAh battery means I can confidently leave the house for a full day of shoots and meetings without packing a power bank, especially since the 45W adapter is right there in the box. The combination of that huge battery and the ultra-rugged shell makes this the ultimate anti-anxiety machine. It's tough, it's speedy enough, and in this purple, it looks surprisingly premium. This is a phone you use to get things done without worrying about killing it before the day is over. What's your first impression of the Realme C85 and all that IP69K madness? Let me know if you think this much durability and battery life is necessary in the comments below. If you like this quick look, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell. We've got the full review coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.